What's up YouTube, and welcome to today's video. So just like the last video, and if you haven't seen that one, go ahead and click the card up top. The technician will be displaying how to completely remove a back glass off of an iPhone XS Max. No laser, only a heat gun and a few razor blades will be used in this video. Remember, when doing these types of procedures, to stay safe and always wear safety glasses and gloves to prevent yourself from any type of injury. Hey, also, since you've already came this far, could you do me a huge favor and go ahead and click that big old beautiful subscribe button? You won't want to miss out on any of our brand new videos. While you're there, might as well ring that notification bell as well. And finally, if you enjoy these shorter tutorial videos, slap that like button and let's see that thing get up to 50 likes before the next video comes out. It really does help out the Easy team, so we know what our viewers want to see next. As always, stay safe and enjoy the video.